everybody, welcome to our OSCR workshop video tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to create a graduation card. Before we get started, make sure you reviewed the worksheet and downloaded any file necessary for this workshop. You may pause the video here to retrieve the files. Now, let's get started. Go ahead and open up Photoshop. On the left side of the screen, press on the Create New button. The new document window will appear. We're going to rename this document to Graduation Card. We are now going to set the width to 11 inches and the height to 8.5 inches. Now we are going to press Create. We have successfully created the canvas for the graduation card. Before we can start, we need to make sure we don't lose our document. We will now save our document. On the top menu bar, press File, then Save As. We are going to save this document in our cloud document. We are going to keep the name Graduation Card. We will then press Save. Now we are ready to set up our Photoshop display panel. We will now get our ruler to show. On the top menu bar, click on Edit. Then Preferences. Then General. The preference window will appear. On the left side, find the Units and Rulers button. Go ahead and click on it. Under the category Rulers, change the unit to inches. That is all we have to change in this window. We have changed the units on the ruler. Now press OK. Now we are going to get our ruler to show in our display panel. On the top menu bar, press View. Then press Rulers. Now your ruler is on display. We are now going to use our ruler to create guidelines. On the top menu bar, press View. Then New Guideline. Press on the vertical option and set the inches to 5.5 inches. Then press OK. We have successfully created our guideline. This line will be used as a guide for us to find the middle where we will be folding our graduation card. We are now going to start inserting our images for the graduation card. We will be embedding our images. What this means is that your images have no connection with the original source image once it's placed in Photoshop. Go to File on the top menu bar. Then click on Place Embedded. A screen like this one should appear. Click on the button on your computer. Locate the pictures you downloaded and saved from the worksheet. Go ahead and select the graduation hat background picture. Then press Place. Now, using the baby blue guideline, go ahead and drag the graduation hat background image to the far right until the image automatically snaps to the guideline. We are then going to rename this image to Front Cover Page Background. Awesome! We have finished creating our graduation card layout. Now we are going to start editing. Make sure your layer graduation hat background image is selected. You are now going to click on the eyedropper tool on your toolbar. Using your eyedropper tool, click on the white creamy color of the graduation hat background image. Next, you are going to click on your brush tool on your toolbar. We are then going to adjust the brush tool so that it is big enough to erase the black letter words in our background photo. Once you have adjusted your brush tool, start erasing the little letters. We are basically coloring over the words. Once you are done erasing the letters, go ahead and click on your typing tool. Then click in the top half of your card. When you click on the canvas, you will notice words appear. This is just dummy text. You are now going to adjust the font size. On your top toolbar, set your font size to 48. Now we are going to change the color of our letters. We are going to drag the color pad to the side and use the dropper tool to click on this confetti brown orange color. Once your words have changed colors, click on the dummy text and start typing the words congratulations. Now we are going to click on the move tool and we are going to center our congratulations words. We are now going to click on the eyedropper tool and double click on the white part of the card. Then we are going to click on the rectangle tool and click and drag out our mouse to create a rectangle box on top of the congratulations words. A side panel will appear. If your rectangle was not the white color of the card, you can change the color by clicking this color box. As you will see, the color you selected with the eyedropper tool will appear on these little square boxes. Select the white color here. You can minimize this side panel now. As you will see, your rectangle box will be highlighted blue. Press enter to set your layer. Also, notice you can't see the word congratulations anymore. This is because the letters are in the back of the rectangle layer. We are now going to solve this minor problem. On your far right side, you will see your layers panel. Click on your rectangle layer. You will know it has been selected if the layer color is gray. Then drag your rectangle layer under your congratulations layer. Now you can see your congratulations layer because it is above the rectangle layer. Now make sure your rectangle layer is gray. If it is, that means it is selected. You are going to take the eraser tool and erase the corners of the rectangle layer. We do this so that the confetti are visible in the background. Now, click on the eraser tool. You will notice a cancel sign appear when you hover above your canvas. Go ahead and click on your canvas anyways. You will see a message like this one pop up. You are going to click OK. Now you are able to erase the corners where the confetti is being blocked by the rectangle layer. Great! Now the confetti is not blocked by the rectangle. We can now start inserting our pictures. Open your files and find the downloaded picture labeled graduation picture. Once you have located the picture, drag it into your Photoshop canvas. Now adjust the picture by dragging the corners of the picture. Adjust it to about half the graduation card. Now we are going to crop the picture using the rectangle marquee tool. Go ahead and click on the rectangle marquee tool. Make a rectangle where you would like to crop the photo. We are going to erase what is inside the rectangle. Click on your eraser tool. You will see a cancel sign. Now take your cursor and click inside the rectangle. You should see a window like this one pop up. Go ahead and press OK. Now we are ready to erase, but first let's make our eraser big enough so that it is easier to erase this big section. Go to the top toolbar and click on the brush size button. Now make your brush about 100 pixels big and start erasing. Now we are going to do the same steps but for the right side of the picture. Once you are done erasing inside the rectangle, click on your Move tool. Notice that the rectangle box has not gone away, so we are going to get rid of that now. Go to your top menu bar, press on Select. Now press Deselect. You will notice the dashed lines disappear. Now press the Move tool. We are now going to move the graduation picture where we would like. In this case, we will move it to the middle of the card. Now we are going to add our last text. Go ahead and click on the Type tool, press anywhere on your canvas, and type the word Megan Star. Now use the Move tool to place the words Megan Star under the picture. We are going to highlight the word Megan Star and change the font size to 36. Use the Move tool again if you have to move the word Megan Star. You can use your keyboard arrows to move your words by small increments. Now you are done with the first half of the graduation card. Now we are going to work with the back side of the graduation card. Find your front cover page background in your layer panel. Right-click on the layer. An option box will appear. In that option box, press Duplicate Layer. A window like this one will appear. We are going to rename it to Back Cover Page Background. You will see your new layer appear in the Layer panel. You will drag your back cover page background layer all the way to the top of the list. You will now see your canvas as this image. Now we are going to click the Move tool and move this layer to the left side of the graduation card. Now on your top menu bar, click on Edit. Then Transform, then Flip Horizontal. Now we are going to decorate the graduation card a little more. On your toolbar, click the Clone Stamp tool. Then we are going to adjust the size of our stamp tool. Set it to about 147 pixels. Once you have set your stamp, click on your canvas. You will notice a notification appear. Press OK. Press on your Control key on your keyboard. You should see your mouse cursor change like the one on the screen. It should look like a target when you press down on the Control key. Now, while holding down on the Control button, use your mouse to click on the graduation hat. This will be capturing the image and making it as a stamp. Once you have pressed on the hat, let go of the Control button and click on the white part of your canvas. A duplicate of the hat will appear. Keep holding down on your left mouse button so that you can make the image look clear. When selecting the image that you would like to select, you must make sure the layer is selected on the Layer panel. Once you have cloned all the images and decorated your card as you please, you are officially done with your graduation card. If at any point of this video you would like more instruction, please visit our website at oscar.arizona.edu. There, you will find our OSCR-ONLINE drop-in session and our OSCR-ONLINE workshop. An instructor will be available at your convenience. Also, if you want to offer feedback, please fill out our survey located on our OSCR workshop page. This is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon at one of our OSCR workshops.